I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to update your email address with Deutsche Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into online banking. Start by visiting the Deutsche Bank website and logging into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Profile settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to avoid issues later. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to finalize the change. Remember, it might take a few minutes for the changes to reflect in your account. If you don't receive a confirmation email, check your spam folder just in case. Good luck with your update.